What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. Mosquitoes are horrible out here. If you're new here and you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Thank you for stopping by. Excuse me swatting mosquitoes because they are horrible today for some reason, and it's not that hot out here. But anyway, today is another Nomadik Box unboxing. We're looking at the November 2021 Nomadik Box, giving you a little bit early sneak peek of it and let you know what I think about the items. So a little bit about Nomadik. They are a subscription service. If you've never seen any of my videos or don't know anything about Nomadik, I'll go ahead and break it down for you real quick. You can sign up for 1, 6, or 12 month subscription. You'll get a box every single month based on the duration of the subscription you sign up for. If you sign up for 1 month, it's $32.95. If you sign up for 6 months, it drops that price down per box to $31.25. And if you sign up for 12 months, it drops that price down to $29.99 per box. So the longer you go, the more of a discount you get. Nomadik does have what they call an Ironclad Guarantee. That means if there's something in this box, when we cut it open and we open it up, that's broken, damaged, doesn't work, or already have one, then I can reach out to Nomadik and they will replace that item free of charge to me, and no problem there. So I know this works because they did send me something one time that would not take a charge. I reached out to Nomadik and I got a new product off the bat. I mean, it was quick turnaround. So really good company. I thoroughly enjoy the Nomadik boxes. I've got a whole playlist. I'll put a card up top, a whole playlist of unboxings. I paid for 6 months of Nomadik Box, and they continued to send me some boxes to open up for you guys. So that's what we're fixing to do. This is the November 2021 box, and we are going to use the Gerber flat iron cleaver blade to open this box. I also did a review of this knife. I'll put a card up top. It is a beautiful knife with that cleaver blade. It is awesome, heavy, feels good. So let's get into this box and see what we have for the month of November. I don't even know what the theme is for this month. Let's see. So, all right, so this is what the boxes normally look like when you open them. You have a little pamphlet here that comes with each box, and what that pamphlet is, it gives you the theme for the month. So this one is everyday carry. There you go. Hey, we do everyday carry videos on here, some EDC videos. So let's see what Nomadik has thrown in for the month. When you open this pamphlet up, you'll have a list of all the items. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this box. They also have some tips that go along with the theme. So Nomadik tips, outdoor hacks that if you get in a pinch, a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month. They select 5 winners at the end of that month, and each one gets a $50 product bundle. And bonus, on the backside of your pamphlet, you have brand discounts that are good for sometimes a month, sometimes longer. This one has discounts that are good for a year, and they include usually brands that are in the box for that month. So we're going to keep this handy in case we need to read up on anything I don't know about. So let's just dive in blind. I'll just grab something. So what do we have here? Key Smart Compact Key Organizer, or key holder. All right, so I've done a review of a Key Smart key holder before. It wasn't this one, but they are really awesome key organizers. If you don't like that jangle of your keys and you don't like them taking up all the room in your pocket, these are awesome to organize some keys. This one is the compact one. Let's see, how many does it hold? It is expandable, holds up to 8 keys, and you can assemble it with a penny. It has just simple screws, and there you go. Really awesome product. I love my key organizers. Like I said, I did a review of a Key Smart, and they make quality products. Let's dig in to see what we have next. Let's go. This feels big. Let's see. The Gerber Air Ranger pocket knife. All right, so a pocket knife that I don't already own. This is the Air Ranger. It is a clip folding knife. Looks like a liner lock. It is blade length 3.26, 4 inches closed. Overall length when it's open, 7.32 inches, 2.6 ounces. A stainless steel 7CR17 MOV blade and a machined aluminum handle. Liner lock safety function, partially serrated blade, clip point blade, dual thumb studs, and a pocket clip. It also has a lanyard hole. So really good knife. I love me some Gerber products. So we will have to get into this and probably do a review of this knife after we carry it for a little while. All right, what else do we have? We have Gym and Tonic, collagen protein, unflavored powder, 18 amino acids. So we have a powder drink mix. So our collagen protein is a pure protein that is fundamental to our body's connective tissue, muscles, and joints. It is flavorless, odorless powder that can define muscle, reduce recovery time after physical activity, and improve joint function. Add one packet to the beverage of your choice. So yeah, we'll have to check that out. All right, and how many things are in here? What we have here? What is this? I can't tell. Okay, it is a Nomadik survival card. All right, so you got, just off the rip, we've got a flathead screwdriver, you've got a larger flathead screwdriver, you got a bottle opener, you got some wrenches here, you got some cordage, got a little ruler, can opener, a sharp edge, two sharp edges, serrated kind of edge. So yeah, pretty cool. And it has this little sleeve, so you would be able to carry it in your wallet possibly, and it not take up a whole lot of room. So there's that. I think there was one more thing in here. I'm just gonna dig in. Good to go chocolate chip Blondies. I love some chocolate chips. So these are keto certified, 1 gram of sugar, 5 gram of net carbs. And yeah, is this the brand? The brand must be Good to Go, but yeah, we'll have to try those and see how they are. I love getting food in these boxes because I normally wait until my kids are home, sample them a little bit, let them get a little taste. If they're really good, my kids try to take them from me, but yeah. So that's a wrap. That is our box. That is our November box. Some really good items. I'll do my best, like I always say I will. I'll do my best to get some prices and put in the description. There will be a link in the description for Nomadik, so you can get over and check out Nomadik if you're interested in signing up. They also have a storefront where you can go to their website. You can go over to the store, and some of these items you can buy individually, especially some of the Nomadik branded items you can buy individually. And so something like this, you might be able to buy individually without having to get a box if you're interested in that. So I think it's a pretty good box, pretty good EDC box. And yeah, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more Nomadik boxes if you enjoy seeing unboxings. So that's it. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.